I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my
Aquarium monster chilling with, you already know.
Aquarium co-op. Got a squad up.
Yeah, baby. Peace.
go out of this world and right on time.
Right now we're chilling.
Never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
Escaping king, right?
I'm far away from
That was up.
So yes, y'all. More babies. Can't really focus on them, but yes, my Convict marble cichlid pair just don't stop having babies, y'all. I separated them, but I actually threw them in this tank to see if they would raise these guys with no problem, since I was always separating them from the fry. So I threw them in this tank where they would get to raise their little family. Let's see what happens. So I'm excited because we got more babies. These guys do not stop.
Every time you two are getting rough, my mind just sounds like Shia LaBeouf. It says no, 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 just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no. Shia LaBeouf, it says no, 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 just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart. I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my
Aquarium monster chilling with, you already know.
Aquarium co-op. Got a squad up.
Yeah, baby. Peace.
go out of this world and right on time.
Right now we're chilling.
Never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
Escaping king, right?
I'm far away from
That was up.